National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Piatt County, southern Champaign County, northern Douglas County, until 6 p.m. At 5:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bement, or 11 miles south of Monticello, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Tuscola around 5:30 p.m. Grove and Camargo around 5:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Bement. This includes Interstate 57 between mile markers 211 and 221.